we are big family, and we don't see each other every day because we are busy and we have our own family, and we only see each other if there's a party like birthday or Thanksgiving. But this time it's been a long time that there is no birthday party, so I decided to cook dinner and invite them for dinner. So I made something new for them to try. So I'm making a lentil soup. They haven't tried this before. We normally have Filipino food or traditional food here in Benguet or Cordillera, so this time I want to make something new for them. So I am making this cordon bleu. It's not complete ingredients, but I tried my best to make it more presentable and taste good. So I debone first the chicken breast and then add some rosemary, salt and pepper. And then I add put some cheese and bacon. Coat the chicken with egg yolk, breadcrumbs and flour, and then I use butter in the grill pan, and then grill it for 5 minutes and turn brown. Put it in a tray and then bake for 30 minutes in the oven. And for dessert I made blueberry pie. So this is the first time to try the blueberry pie. And I made for the boys, I made some platter for them. So this is salami. And this is reindeer meat. And this is the elk meat. This is their first time to taste this kind of meat, and for them this is a special treat for them because they have been working hard, and sometimes it's nice to make them happy. So in the platter I have grapes, those meats, kiwi fruit, and then almonds, and then apples also, and last is the oranges.
Naidin karnin di aga din elk din di ada isok mo na ya. Sinaay din salami si din ugsa na masuk sayo.
And now food is ready. Let's eat.
dyan, Ray. Ashley, ay isa. Det, ay, masarap to dyan, Ray. Hindi masyadong maanghang, pero masarap. So, ay, sus, maamuanan yan, Rudy, ay. Amo na ba? Uy, nga, nalipatan na. Ano, Kim? Video. Ay, ano? Ha? Nasa YouTube ka na. Hindi pa? I-upload ko pa? Bakit? Isisend ko sa darling mo? Gata? Jenny, awan timang pansin ni Jalil Tilsab ko. Ang daan mo gamin.